multiplying two fractions together using arrays as a visual aid. We begin with the simple example of where the numerators in each fraction are both equal to 1. You notice in the array that each row is divided into 3 parts, so each bit is 1/3, and every column is divided into 4 parts, so each part is 1/4. The question is 1/4 times 1/3. So we have 1/4 here, coloured in, and 1/3 along. If we count all the squares, we see that there are 12 squares. That means there are 12 parts in total. So the denominator is going to be 12. There's only one square that's been filled in red, so that means the numerator is going to be 1. In other words, 1/4 times 1/3 equals 1/12. Let's now go to the red button where the numerators are all greater than 1. In this question, we have 3/5 times 2/2. So first we're going to colour in 3/5. But it's not just 3/5 times 1/2 as we've got here, it's 3/5 times 2/2. So we colour in 2 columns. If we add up all the squares there are in the whole array, we see there are 10. So 10 again goes into the denominator, and we see that 6 are coloured red, so 6 goes into the numerator. And therefore we see that 3/5 times 2/2 is 6/10. We can also show the children straight away that 3 times 2 gives us 6, and 5 times 2 gives us 10.